Hello students, today we are going to take new topic. It is integration by partial fraction. Okay, so first of all we have to learn what are rational functions. A function in the form of fx upon gx, where fx and gx are polynomials and gx is not equal to 0 is called a rational fraction. Okay, if degree of fx is less than degree of gx, then the rational function is called proper, otherwise is called improper. So let us take one example, student. You can see this function 2x plus 1 upon x minus 2 upon x minus 3. So the degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator, when we multiply its degree is 2. So degree of numerator means fx degree is less than the degree of gx. So it is a proper function. If degree of numerator is 3 and degree of denominator is 2, then it is called improper function. Okay, so students, the function in the form of fx upon gx is called rational functions, and if the degree of fx is less than the degree of gx, then it is called proper rational functions, otherwise it is known as improper rational functions if degree of fx is more than degree of gx. So these are rational functions. Okay, so how can we find out integration by partial fractions? So let us take the steps. The first heading is method of getting integrals of rational functions. So if first step, if degree of fx is more than degree of gx, then we have to simplify by long division method. Means fx is divided by gx, then we get qx and rx. Qx is the quotient and rx is the remainder. Then we have to write the function in the form qx plus rx upon gx. Okay, fx upon gx is there and degree of fx is more than the degree of gx, then we have to divide and we have to write the function in the form of qx plus rx upon gx. Okay, as we are doing in improper fraction, the same we have to do here, correct? So now students, we have to factorize gx to get real factors in second step. So the factors may be of the following four group. Okay, first linear non-repeated, second linear repeated, third quadratic non-repeated, quadratic repeated. So four kinds of factors should be there. So after then we have to use partial fraction. So now types of partial fractions. So we have to draw column here, and in column I am going to take different kinds of partial fraction part. So first one is, here we have to write type of proper rational function. Second, type of partial fractions, and their example I have taken here example. So if student, you can see here degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is 2. So it is proper, correct? So how can we do its partial factors. So we will write a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b, because there are two factors, x minus a upon x minus b. A upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b. Why we are taking this, student? We are taking partial fraction, means simplest more part of the fractions. So remember, degree of numerator which we are going to take here, it always 1 less than the denominator. You can see its degree is 1, so degree of numerator should be 0. Degree 1, degree of numerator should be 0. That's why we are taking a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b. Okay. Let us take one example of this. 2x plus 1 upon x minus 2x minus 3. Its degree is 1, its degree is 2, student. The two factors are there. So we will take a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x minus 3. Okay. We are learning, student, how can we take partial fraction of the given rational function if it is in proper rational function, proper form. So now one more part is there. If the rational function is in the form of px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. So there are three factors, student, in denominator. Correct? And degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is 3. So degree of denominator is more. So now their partial fractions will be a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b plus c upon x minus c. Okay. So its degree is 1. The degree of numerator we will take 0. Okay. So that's why we have taken a upon x minus a, b upon x minus b, c upon x minus c. If the students, there is whole square, the factors are same. So px plus q upon x minus a whole square. So we will take like this, a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square. If the factors, both factors are same, x minus a into x minus a, or you can say x minus a whole square, then we will take a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square. For example, students, this example of the previous one, 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So their partial fraction we will take a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. Now student, in this case you can see 3x plus 2 upon x minus 1 whole square is given. So we will take a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 whole square. If students, in denominator three factors are there and all three factors are same, means x minus 1 whole cube will be there. Then we will take a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 whole square plus c upon x minus 1 whole cube. Okay. Now the next type, px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a whole square into x minus b. Two factors are same, one is different, it is whole square, student. The same method will be applied as the previous one. So a upon x minus a, then b upon x minus a whole square, then c upon x minus b. Let us take one example. 3x square plus 2 upon x minus 1 whole square, x minus 2. So we can write a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 whole square plus c upon x minus 2. Okay. So this is the method of taking partial fraction. Next type, px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a, x square plus bx plus c. And x square plus bx plus c is not factorized. Okay. So when this kind of factors are there in denominator, okay, so how can we solve? To solve them, student, we will take a upon x minus a plus bx plus c upon x square plus bx plus c. Okay, a upon x minus a plus bx plus c upon x square plus bx plus c. Its degree 1. So numerator degree should be 0. Now its degree is 2, student. So numerator degree should be 1 less than the denominator, as I told you. So its degree should be 1. That's why I have taken bx plus c upon x square plus bx plus c. Let us take one example. 2x square plus 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x square plus 1. So its degree is 1 is 2. So a upon x minus 1 plus bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Its degree is 2 and it cannot be factorized. Okay, so its degree is 2. So we will take degree 1 in numerator for partial fraction. So it will be bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Now next kind, student, px cube plus qx square plus rx plus s upon x square plus ax plus b or x square plus cx plus d. So its degree is 2. Its degree is also 2 and both of them cannot factorized. Then what we can do? So we will take their partial fractions ax plus b upon x square plus ax plus b plus cx plus d upon x square plus cx plus d. Because its degree is 2, so we will take 1 less than the degree of denominator. So I have taken here ax plus b, its degree is 1. Here its degree is 2, so degree of numerator should be 1 less. So that's why I have taken cx plus d. Okay, let us take one example. X square minus 5x plus 2 upon x square plus 1 and x square plus 2x minus 1. So it cannot be factorized. So its degree is 2, student. Then partial fraction we will take ax plus b upon x square plus 1 plus cx plus d upon x square plus 2x minus 1. Because their degree is 2, so that's why in numerator we will take 1 less than the degree of denominator. So I have told you different kinds of rational functions and how can we find out their partial factors or partial fractions. Okay then, students.